Thank you for choosing Permar Security Services and our Central Station Online. In this video, we'll show you how to access your customer activity log and put your system on test. Let's start by logging in. Go to www.permarsecurity.com/central-station-online. Then choose Click here to access. Enter your user ID and password. Note, the Central Station message can change to provide important details. Click OK. Here you see My Dashboard. You can click the search icon to enter things like the address or site name to locate the account you would like to interact with, or go back to My Dashboard. You can click Active Customers and you'll see a list of customers. Double-click on the account. On the left side is the Jump to Options. In the Detail per account, you see your site name and address, site phone number if available, police and fire contact centers, activity log, and add-on test. Let's focus on the activity log and add-on test. The customer activity log is a record of all activity from your account. You can see the date, time, and log description, which could be an alarm or an open-close signal. By default, you will see the last 30 days. If you would like to see a specific date or time, click the filter icon. Click on the Date From to enter the date by using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Then choose Date To to enter the date by using the scroll wheel. Click Search. You can hit the Restore and it will show the current information again. You can also search by keywords by entering a word in the search box. If you need to see a specific user or action, this could assist with finding it faster. Customer Activity also has its own Jump to option, which has the exact same functions, just a fuller screen. To access the Add-on Test functionality, click the ellipses, select a testing time for up to 2 hours, and validate by clicking Done. Next, enter the reason for testing. This can be as simple as typing the word test, then click Start. During this window of time, we will not dispatch on any alarm that comes in from your facility. If you have completed your test before the time you entered expires, you can come back in and click the Delete icon. Then click OK on the warning and enter the reason for removing test mode. This language can be equally simple, for example, Done testing. Your account will once again be live with our monitoring center. Click Refresh and Customer Activity Log to view all activity that occurred during your test.